Okay, in this video, we've got a beautiful unboxing of the Razer Adjustable Laptop Stand in Mercury Edition. I, for the life of me, could not find one on YouTube, like having a closer look. Shout out to the notebook check review guy, because he was the one who I seen it on and it looked absolutely amazing. They're pretty expensive, but I've got some special deals that you might want to check out in the links below if you want to pick one up. So let's take a look at this beautiful laptop stand. Razer. Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it. So a quick look what else they've put in the box. Congratulations, your setup is now truly complete. And we've got a little like Allen key for something. Really feels premium. A lot more premium than my Sony A7 IV unboxing that I just did. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. And let's take a look at this beast. So, full aluminium. It's got this rubber section here, which is to protect your laptop. Yeah, it feels really, really good. If we look around the back, we've got also two rubber feet in that same aluminium. Looks really, really nice. And then what you can do is pull it up. And it is stiff as. So it's not going to sag when you put your laptop on here. And wow, yeah, it feels solid as. They've given a little piece of protection here that I've got to rip off. And that's what it looks like. Wow. Yeah, definitely has a solid hinge. I'm assuming that's what the Allen key was in the box for you to be able to adjust the tension of it. If you guys can see, it's also got a Razer logo very faintly indented there. Not indented, but like, oh no, it has a slight indentation on the base of the device. So it's not going to stand out like a Razer product normally would. So you can see they can do some pretty nice looking minimal designs. The only thing that I wish it had was a rotatability, which it doesn't have, but you can still obviously just twist it like that. How high does this go? Oh wow, yeah, it really can go quite high, and that should give you guys, can it go back more? Yeah, it can go even back more. Wow. So there you go, you got that little Razer logo, but that feels a bit lopsided, so I don't think you want to be doing that. But you can pivot it back down. Pretty big too, so if you have a 16-inch laptop, it should be fine.